Welcome to the new RECON ITR version 26.0, available now for update and purchase at SUMURI.com. In this episode of our ongoing tutorial series, we're looking at how to collect and triage iOS backups with the RECON ITR live application. To get started, head to iOS Backup in the left-hand navigation. Click Continue to access the iOS backup options. All your iOS backups found locally will be displayed on the left, including their display name, serial number, and encryption status. On the right, you'll see detailed information about the backup you have selected. Select Export Backup to extract and convert your iOS backup. If it is encrypted, enter the password of your backup to continue by selecting OK. Select Browse to choose the output directory you want the backup extracted to. Select Export to continue. Once converted, you'll see the contents of the backup in a folder name matching your device ID. iOS backups can also be triaged. Select a backup from the list and choose Run Case at the top. If the backup is encrypted, provide the backup password to proceed. Next, configure your triage case by filling in the case information screen. Select Continue to choose your plugins. RECON ITR features many automated plugins through the use of iLEAPP. Select the plugins you'd like parsed and choose Run Case when you're finished. That's how you get started with RECON ITR's iOS Backups feature. Look out for a future video with more information on iOS backup case navigation. Follow us for more tips and tutorials. And if you'd like to see it in action, reach out for a demo or quote at SUMURI.com.